Today, we are taking a look at another Tolaccea backpack, the Pack Pro T10. This is a 32-liter laptop backpack, a great size for travel or commute, and I'll do a full unboxing and take a look at all of its features. Let's see if it is the perfect pack for your needs. It ships in a nice, durable shipping box with the Tolaccea logo. Opening it up, the backpack is enclosed in a protective Ziploc bag. While we open it, let's talk about the interesting intersection this pack straddles. With a premium, padded, TSA-friendly laptop compartment, it is a great business travel backpack, but is casual enough to be used as a day pack or college rucksack. Outside of the bag, the material feels both upscale and durable. Flipping it, the back is nicely padded, with shoulder, chest, and waist straps. Documentation for the backpack is attached on a reusable wire loop with a barrel lock. We find this actually to be a nice accessory, as it can serve as a secure luggage tag loop. This backpack includes premium parts, such as YKK zippers, considered a gold standard, less likely to snag, split, or fail. The user manual has a number of detailed pages, providing specifications, features, and care instructions for the backpack. We'll walk through everything in the manual, as a part of this video, and as we fill the pack, to show all of the pockets and compartments. So let's get started. On each side, there is a compression webbing strap with a buckle. We'll unbuckle each of them first, so we can access all of the different sections, and there are a lot of them. We'll start at the top of the backpack. Here, there is an upper zipper pocket, lined with a soft, protective, velvety lining. As you can see, it is perfect for storing small items that you want quick access to, like a phone, wallet, or AirPods. Next up is Tolaccea's signature wet-dry compartment. This 10-liter area has a waterproof lining that keeps your wet or damp clothes, dripping umbrella, or any other item separate from your other items. Also, the small, round, metal logo on the top of the area is actually a ventilation hole, providing airflow to reduce moisture buildup. Unzipping the large side zippers, we can access the main packing compartment. Its clamshell design allows you to completely expose this roughly 20-liter area. Here is where this bag starts to feel less like a backpack and more like a piece of actual luggage. We found it to be deep enough to hold clothing for a 2 to 3 day trip. While the overall backpack is about 12 inches wide, 20 inches tall, and 9 inches deep, we found this interior compartment to be roughly 11 inches wide, 18 inches tall, and 4 inches deep. Similar to a small suitcase, you can place folded clothes in there, roll them for even more space, or use packing cubes to keep things organized. We found you can really stuff this backpack, but be aware that it is already about 3.6 pounds, without anything in it, so it is a bit heavy if you plan to just use it as a day pack. And actually, we almost forgot. There is a dedicated hidden AirTag pocket. It does not include an AirTag, but if you have one, you can just slip it into this slot. This interior packing compartment has its own zippered mesh cover. It is nice, as it will keep everything inside secure when the main zippers are open, and if items are organized inside, it also allows you to quickly slide top items out, without having to completely open the compartment. Similarly, if you look at the other side of the backpack, there is another, lined, accessories pocket, for storing other travel gear. Having all of these individual storage pockets throughout the pack allows you to easily organize all of your items. Now, with everything packed inside the main compartment, we'll zipper it back closed. As you can see, we are quite full here, so you have to be a bit careful as you close it, to make sure the zippers don't snag on anything. The exterior material is a high-density, 400D, twisted RPET fabric, made from 100% recycled polyester, with an eco-friendly PU coating and C0 fluorine-free water-resistant finish. This means it is water, abrasion, and tear-resistant. Each side has a zipper storage compartment with a number of pockets to store travel documents or other small items. We appreciated that these are side pockets with actual organization built in, slots for your passport, cables, boarding pass, and more. One thing we noticed later was this side also has a strap with a clip to hold items like a keyring. Now, we will refasten the compression strap and pull it tight. This helps you compress the bag down to reduce the size so it can fit under seats, and also keeps the load tight and stable, reducing side-to-side sway when on your back. They also help keep the bag clean and structured regardless of whether it's packed light or packed full. And outside of that is yet another pocket for items like an umbrella or a water bottle. Now, let's open the laptop compartment. It too has two zippers that allow it to completely open and lie flat, making it TSA friendly. Similar to the main compartment, there is a small zippered pocket on one side, great for storing power cables, USB flash drives, or other items. And the other side has a laptop sleeve with a suspended, corner-cushioned protection system. It is a bit hard to see, so here is a close-up view of the padding. This is a great system, with padding on the sides and bottom, suspending your laptop on a cushion, ensuring corners are protected. The lining also protects your laptop from scratches. It fits up to a 15.6-inch laptop, so if you have a larger one, this is not your bag, but Tolaccea does make other models that go up to 17.3 inches. The snap is magnetic, but not that strong, so we would recommend being careful when this compartment is completely open. Zipping this compartment up now, the padding keeps the laptop protected and snug, which also minimizes shifting during movement, if you are wearing the backpack while walking or biking. Like the main compartment, the laptop compartment also has two zippers, allowing you to unzip just the top portion so you can slide the laptop out, without having to open the entire section. A side handle allows you to carry the backpack like a small suitcase. And this side also has a storage pocket, similar to the other side. It too has a number of nice organization slots, but there is no keyring strap on this side. Securing everything up, we clip the compression strap and pull it tight. Then we slip a water bottle into the outside slot. Again, we appreciate having slots on both sides, for either two water bottles, or as we have done, an umbrella and a water bottle. The back is well designed, with an ergonomic cushioned back panel and padded shoulder straps, with strips for clipping on additional items. There is a luggage strap, so you can slip it over the handle of your rolling suitcase, and the waist strap is removable. Overall, we found this backpack to be a versatile, well-built travel companion with thoughtful organization, premium materials, and smart features. We did get this item for free, in exchange for our honest review. We hope you found this video informative.